this assessment asks us to label the reaction coordinate diagram, things like reactants, products, intermediates, transition states, etc. Let's do that. Over here, and you'll have to forgive the weatherman effect, here is where the reaction is going to start. So that will be our reactant. Where we have the valley here is going to be the intermediate because it's not the finish of the reaction. That's going to be our intermediate. And the last valley over here where the reaction finishes is going to be our product. At the top of the hill are our two transition states. So this is a two-step reaction going from reactant to intermediate through a transition state here. We go through another hill as we go from intermediate to product, so we can label that as our transition state there. Next, we want to do the activation energy of the rate determining step. Going from reactant to transition state in the first step has a higher activation energy than going from intermediate to transition state, so we can label our activation energy of our rate determining step as this value there. I took it down a little low because of the weatherman effect, but essentially finishing there. That is the activation energy of the rate determining step. The last thing we want is the overall delta H of the reaction, and that's the difference in energy between the reactant and the product. So if I can do the weatherman effect well, it will be essentially this value here is our delta H of the overall or the total reaction.